Bernie Salam. My name is Dana. I'm from Kazakhstan. I'm studying at International Institute in Geneva, in Switzerland, and I'm doing my internship in London. My position is operations assistant at KKCL Harrow School company. I'm so excited to share my experience. I choose London because it's close to Geneva and I like the culture here. As I was studying here in Eastbourne 6 years ago, the people here are so friendly, so nice, and also I wanted to work in English-speaking country. That's why London was my first choice as an internship, and I'm so happy to be here. I work as operations assistant at KKCL Harrow summer camp, and as I want to open my own business in my future, this was the best experience in my life. Mostly, I work closely with my CEO and with all the departments, with teachers, children, and my colleagues. They were so nice, friendly. They always helped me when I didn't understand something. They were so friendly, like Dana, can you do it? Dana, help me. And at that moments, I felt myself like, oh my God, they really need me. And that's why I tried my best to help them. To be honest, I had a lot of good memories here. For example, every day after work, I forced myself don't to stay in my room and go somewhere with my friends and spend time with them. Like we went to Chinatown. We made a lot of photos, videos, a lot of good memories. We laughed, we talked, and we did a lot of crazy things. For example, we went to Scotland, Edinburgh City, and also 2 days ago we went to Bournemouth. We swim all together. It was so fun, and every time when I remember these moments, I feel so happy and I smile a lot. Before applying for this program, I was so worried, but the intern group they helped me a lot. They helped me with visa documents, arrival preparations, airport pickup, and a lot of things. They also made online webinar before arrival, and it was so helpful for me. So when I came to London, they made welcome mixer, theater, movie night, and also London night trip, and other interesting events. And I was so excited. Um, so also Peach and Katera, they also helped me a lot when I didn't understand or when I needed help. They were so quickly to answer, and I really appreciate for their help. And thank you for this experience.